Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tammy here with a lot of Blythe dolls. This is not my entire Blythe collection, but it is a good chunk of it. And as you can see, I finally got them dressed in some cute holiday doll dresses. I sewed all the dresses myself. The sweaters I did not make, but all the dresses I did, so I'm pretty happy with the progress I made. I actually have a few more doll dresses I need to finish up. And not everybody is in their doll outfits, but a good amount of them. So I'm feeling kind of proud of this little group here. And yeah, so we're nearing Christmas. I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday. You stay safe, stay home and play with your dolls, spend time with your immediate family, and of course, watch lots of YouTube videos. In fact, I wanted to mention that I will not be posting any new videos until after the first of the year. I have a lot of videos in the works. I've got new dolls showing up, sewing projects I'm working on, lots of plans. So after the first of the year, you will definitely see some new videos from me, but I kind of needed a break from YouTube. I felt like I really enjoy the experience of creating videos and sharing my dolls with everybody on not just YouTube, but through social media. And you're still going to see me through social media. In fact, make sure you join my Facebook, the Dolly Daily Facebook group. I'll be over there, and also Instagram, and I have social media links down below for you guys to click on if you haven't already. But I kind of needed a break from YouTube. There's a lot of videos out right now, and I spend probably more time than I should filming and editing when I could just be playing with my dolls and crafting for them. So I wanted to do more of that and kind of gear up for a big 2021 push and expand my YouTube channel a little bit then. So if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can find out what's going to be going on my channel for 2021. And if you have subscribed, or if this is the first time you're here, either one, there are still lots of doll videos for you to watch while I'm away. So make sure to check out the playlists. In fact, I have one playlist that is all about Blythe. So I think that might be a way to go for some people who are looking for Blythe information. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to zip my lip here and show you some cute dolls up close, play a little Christmas music, and see you on the other side of 2020.